The North Star Digital Literacy Program was created to help people learn and assess computer skills. It helps individuals around the world master the digital skills needed to work, learn, and participate fully in daily life. North Star Digital Literacy began in 2010 in response to a need identified by the St. Paul Public Library. Following the Great Recession, many job seekers were coming to the library needing varying degrees of assistance with digital tasks. The library needed a way to assess digital skills in order to determine what kind of assistance to provide. Launched in 2012, Literacy Minnesota's North Star program has been growing ever since. North Star Digital Literacy features assessments that cover various topics of digital literacy. Each assessment is based on a set of standards developed collaboratively to define the basic skills needed to thrive in today's technological world. Anyone can take an assessment for free at digitalliteracyassessment.org. When you finish an assessment, you get a results page showing what skills you've mastered and what skills need improvement. Organizations like schools, libraries, community colleges, workforce centers, and businesses can also subscribe to become a North Star location. North Star locations can use the following resources to help teach and assess digital literacy. A North Star subscription includes a testing launch page unique to your organization. Assessments taken on the launch page are automatically saved to your admin portal, where you can view test results. Testing locations can also offer proctored assessments. Learners who complete a proctored assessment with a score of 85% or higher can earn a certificate or a digital badge. Learners can use these to show that they have mastered basic digital literacy skills. Subscribing locations can make North Star Online Learning accounts for their learners. North Star Online Learning offers guided independent instruction and practice that aligns to the standards for North Star assessments. After taking an assessment, North Star Online Learning points learners to the sections they need to practice to improve their skills. In the admin portal, teachers can track learner progress in North Star Online Learning. North Star Online Learning modules are available for several of our topics, with more in development. Our classroom curriculum includes learner-centered and interactive lesson plans to support classroom teachers and volunteer tutors working in small groups. Lessons follow an easy-to-use format and include projectable reference pages and printable handouts. Each unit is aligned with the North Star Digital Literacy Standards, integrates college and career readiness standards for adult education, and supports users' development of the soft skills needed for success in school and the workplace. For more information, please visit our website at digitalliteracyassessment.org. To subscribe to North Star, click Become a Testing Location. To find a North Star location, visit our website and click Locations to find a location near you.